Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to my newest listing in Sand Springs, Oklahoma at 314 West 44th Street. This place is killer. It is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, but get this, over 1,400 square feet and has a 2-car garage, a half-acre lot, with a detached shop and like an RV storage. So this place is kind of a rarity here in Sand Springs. Big, huge lot. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go check her out and let's go take a look at it. But you know, I think what I'm gonna do, this little camera, how about we fix this thing just like that? All right, cool. So let me take you on a ride here and show you this house. So first thing you notice, got the 2-car garage, of course. It has got all this stonework. It has, and I love it. I'll show you some archways that it has. A lot of cool, like, character that a lot of houses don't have. But this area of Sand Springs is super cool. So we've got 2-car garage here. Again, the stonework, the nice little, like, the shutter look as well over here is super cool. I like these things. Front porch, I know I said it does need a little bit of work, but overall it's in pretty good condition. So let's see, we walk in and we have this living room here. So this is the front living room. I would say this place has 2 living spaces is what I would say. So you have this area here, your main living room. We're gonna go to the bedrooms, which is down the hall. So you got the hall here. Pretty newish HVAC system. And then we've got the newer updated panel. We got some built-ins. We love some good built-ins. Comes down, you got bottom drawers as well. So then we have bedroom number 1 here. So this is bedroom 1 of 3. Bedroom 1 of 3. And they're all kind of on this side of the house, real close to each other. You have the peach room. This is a green room, kind of lime maybe. So bedroom 2 of 3 here. Got carpet here. You could probably use some new carpet, but it's not bad either. And then we have bedroom 3 of 3, the blue room. So nice bedroom. You got a closet there. Really some good bedrooms, especially this age of house, good sized bedrooms. All right, so the bathroom is great because the bathroom is huge. Look at this thing. Love the floor. You got a vanity here. Got this, whoo, there we go, let's go. We got the mirror. And then you have the blue, check this out, the blue tub with this white and blue tile. So cool. I actually love that. I would probably keep that whole setup because I just think it's cool. So we have the bathroom here. And then moving along, we're gonna go check out the rest of the house. We've got this little spindles here, separate this. I would call this the dining area here. You got some built-in shelving, some things like that. And then we have on the other side, we have the laundry. So we've got plenty of storage here, more storage there, maybe room for the deep freeze, whatever. Above that, you've got sink here. You've got the dryer, and then here's your washer connections. And then we're gonna see the garage. Garage is a pretty large space. So you got a 2-car garage. Insulated doors, you got plenty of room for storage off on the sides and then back here as well. So we've got this little area of storage. And then like an exterior exit or entrance to the garage. So that's nice. So then the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna roll into the kitchen here. I'm gonna lock that door so I don't forget. Let's see, we have the kitchen area. So you have a lot of space in this kitchen. Water heaters over here. You've got cabinets, counter space, cabinets, all the way around here. You've got uppers. Then you have more counter space. You got lowers here. Again, you got the kitchen sink, got the nice window, looks into the big backyard. Got some open storage on both sides of the sink. Can't forget about the ivy though, yo. Dishwasher. We have got this more cabinet space, got the spindles, a little bit of separation. And then we've got like maybe a second living spot, maybe some good seating here. It's got the bay window. I really like this area. I think it's cool. You'd probably do a lot of your living in here. I like the built-ins that they have. You got some glass works, mirrors, really cool. It's got lower cabinets. Again, the bay window here. Nice seating, maybe a good book area. Read a nice book. And then we have that as well. So the outside is great too. We have got a killer outdoor patio. Look at this. You've got, and that's a storm shelter there. So big, huge storm shelter. Pretty much this entire area is storm shelter, but it's all covered, all shaded, large space. Check this out. I want to show you this. This is a beautiful stone arch with this gorgeous iron gate, all this ironwork here. Just beautiful. You don't see that today, and you don't get this ivy today. Look at the chickens. Look at the chickens. I don't know if you can see the tail. Let's see, this one's a little better. It's got a chicken on top of the brick column, the stone column. So that's just a little bit of character that you don't see every day. But now check out this massive yard. So it's got a massive fenced in yard. Here is the detached shop and carport, or RV port, if you will. Big area. And then that is also part of your lot right here on the other side of this fence. So let's go check out the old, what am I trying to say? The detached shop here. So detached shop is, could use some updating, could use some new paint, that type of stuff. But big space. You've got workbenches over here. It was heated at one point, but big workspace, lots of storage. You've got a garage door, overhead door. Really, really a great space. It's got electrical. Here's a panel. Needs a panel cover, but really a great spot. So the detached shop is a nice little touch here. We're gonna lock this up too, so we don't forget it. I got a bug on me. We're gonna lock her up. And you don't, in Sand Springs, you don't really see this type of house, this large of a lot. You just don't see all this stuff that this place has to offer that often. This is like an older part, not as old as north side of the river, but the south side of the river. So you see a lot of 3-bed, 1-bath. They're usually about 1,100 square feet or so. But this thing is really, really good. So that being said, let's kind of recap on this deal. Let's recap on this property. Let's do this. There we go. So we have 3 beds, 1 bath. We have got 1,432 square feet, basically 2 living spaces. We have got a large half-acre lot. You've got a detached shop. You've got RV storage. Lots of character in this place. We got a storm shelter, covered patio. It's really awesome. Here in Sand Springs, Oklahoma, on the Prattville side, it is, get this, gonna go on market for just $159,000. So watch for it when it goes live on market. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments, shoot me a DM. I'm Caleb Wright, the Real Estate Rhino, and I'll see you next time.